Overthinking is a common struggle, with studies showing that 73% of adults experience it regularly. This video aims to explore how Buddhist mindfulness can help you overcome this mental hurdle. We'll share practical techniques that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. By the end, you'll discover transformative insights that can shift your perspective and bring peace to your mind. So, if you're ready to break free from the cycle of overthinking and embrace a more mindful way of living, stay tuned. Overthinking is the process of dwelling excessively on thoughts, often leading to heightened anxiety and stress. Unlike productive thinking, which helps solve problems and make decisions, overthinking can trap you in a cycle of worry and self-doubt. This constant rumination can negatively impact your mental health, making it crucial to recognize these patterns early. By identifying when you're overthinking, you can take steps to redirect your thoughts and regain control. Understanding this distinction is the first step toward fostering a healthier mindset and emotional well-being. Buddhist mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. In the context of Buddhism, mindfulness serves as a powerful tool to reduce overthinking by encouraging acceptance and awareness of the present moment. This practice has roots that date back over 2,500 years, originating from the teachings of the Buddha. By cultivating mindfulness, individuals can learn to observe their thoughts rather than becoming entangled in them, ultimately leading to a calmer and more focused mind. One effective way to combat overthinking is through breathing exercises, which serve as a foundational mindfulness practice. By focusing on your breath, you can anchor yourself in the present moment and reduce anxiety. Additionally, meditation plays a crucial role in calming the mind, allowing you to create space between your thoughts and emotions. Another powerful technique is mindful observation, where you learn to recognize your thoughts without judgment. This practice helps you understand your thinking patterns, making it easier to let go of unproductive ruminations and find clarity. Integrating mindfulness into your everyday activities can be simple and rewarding. Start by practicing mindfulness during routine tasks, such as eating or walking, by fully engaging your senses and being present in the moment. Additionally, consider setting aside time each day for meditation sessions, even if it's just for a few minutes, to cultivate a deeper sense of awareness. Journaling your thoughts can also enhance mindfulness, allowing you to reflect on your experiences and emotions. These practices not only promote mental clarity, but also foster a greater sense of peace and well-being. Practicing mindfulness can come with its own set of challenges, particularly when it comes to maintaining focus during meditation. It's common for distractions and wandering thoughts to arise, making it difficult to stay present. To combat this, try gently redirecting your attention back to your breath or a focal point whenever you notice your mind drifting. Remember, developing mindfulness skills takes time, so be patient with yourself. Persistence is key. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to cultivate a calm and focused mind. Many individuals have transformed their lives by embracing mindfulness to overcome overthinking. Take, for example, my friend Sarah, who struggled with anxiety and constant self-doubt. Through daily mindfulness practices, she learned to observe her thoughts without judgment, leading to a significant reduction in her anxiety levels. Sarah now reports feeling more grounded and confident in her decisions. Stories like hers highlight the profound positive changes that mindfulness can bring. We encourage you to reflect on your own experiences and consider how mindfulness might help you navigate your challenges and find peace. In summary, mindfulness plays a crucial role in overcoming overthinking by helping us stay present and aware. Throughout this video, we explored practical techniques such as breathing exercises, meditation, and mindful observation that can significantly reduce anxiety and enhance mental clarity. We hope you found these insights valuable and encourage you to incorporate them into your daily life. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit from these mindfulness practices. Together, we can foster a more mindful community.